Hi everybody, this is Don. I'm going to make a short video about this door panel I'm working on for my 88 notchback Fiero. I just finished removing all the carpet that was glued on it from the factory. It wasn't in very good shape, and the previous owner, I don't know if you can tell or not, but he spray painted it black and it looked pretty crappy. So since the upper portion of the door panel is pretty good shape, I decided I'm going to redo this portion down here. I'm going to cut out a thin pattern out of typical panels that you make door panels out of, and I'm going to overlay this with probably some sort of flame pattern cut into it to match the headliner flames that I did, and then I'll cover that over with a color of vinyl that will match the seats that are in the upholstery shop right now, looking really good. So anyway, I want the lower portion to match one of the vinyl colors on the seats. I'm going to have to decide which one I think will look better, and then this will be I'm going to repaint this to the same color that I painted all the other interior trim to match. So that's what's going on here. The board that you make it out of is like about probably a 3/16 thick, and I'll cut out a piece to match pretty much the overall shape, and then I'll sketch the flame pattern on it and then cut that out, and then lay the vinyl right over that and glue it down, and it should look pretty good. I think I've seen some stuff done like that, and I think it'll look pretty good. The carpet, to take the carpet off, I used a heat gun to warm it up where it released off the backing pretty well. It was glued on good, and it was pretty hard to hold the panel and pull it off, so I used these two bar clamps to clamp it to my kitchen table, and that helped me get a good grip on it where I could pull it off easier. You know, this is a low buck project. I don't have a whole lot of money in anything on it, but I do have time, and so I'm of the belief currently that if you want to do just about any of this stuff, you can. I've watched a ton of videos on YouTube, and I've got a good friend that's in the upholstery business. He's covering my seats right now, and like I said, they look fantastic, but I know it wasn't up to that. But I did do the flame pattern and the headliner, and I'm going to do something similar on this door panel. As you can see, it has crank up windows, and the thickness of the carpet is about the same as what the little board that I'm going to make the overlay out of, and the thickness of the vinyl end up being. So the window crank, excuse me, should go on, and it should fit nicely against the panel just like it did when it had the carpet on it. So I'm not worried about that at all, and it shouldn't be too hard. I'm going to stop by the upholstery shop on the way into town today and pick up some board and check on the vinyl and just kind of go from there. So I'll upload this one in a day or two, and maybe by then I'll be ready to make the next video, and we'll just kind of go from there. So we'll see how this little project turns out. Thanks. Y'all have a good day.